Hi everyone, welcome back once again to very interesting video on the top 15 tools for hackers, right? So this video is for education purpose only, and today we are going to discuss about the top 15 tools that usually we use as a cybersecurity professional for doing a lot of automation work for pen testing and for cybersecurity audits. So let me start. So we'll be starting with the Pentest GPT, which is pretty common in cybersecurity community, and there are a couple of more tools like Bob GPT and few more. So we are going to cover out all those tools. Meanwhile, if you want link, just let me know in the comment box which link you want. And along with that, I'm going to give you a very small description about all the tools so that you'll be having a very good briefing so that accordingly you can check out the tools that you want to use for your project. So right now, like Chat GPT and DeepSeek is on the highest mileage that ever possible. So mostly we have the GPTs, which means a custom chat part of the Chat GPT functions, right? Which usually we fine tuned according to our use, right? So usually I have gone through the entire list, and it seems to be a kind of GPTs that we have around 60% in this video. So we'll be discussing about all those things, right? So this is the first thing, which is called as Pentest GPT. So this is the GitHub URL. You can check out at the top. So which means like this is a LLM based tool which actually going to simulate a step-by-step pen testing process, and this is going to help you a lot while creating a workflow for your attacks, right? So you can check out. This is the top 12 repository of the day, which was on GitHub, and it was trending at the time when it was launched, right? So these are the time stamps where you can check out, and there is an entire process how you can use all those things, right? So let me quickly move to the next one, which is auto pen test GPT AI. Again, this is LLM powered, as I told you. Most is the fine-tuned model of GPT. So this is a kind of AI powered framework which is going to use GPT-4, which is very powerful, right? And this is going to perform the automated pen testing with a lot of logics and chain of custody exploration as well. So again, this image is seems to be also created with the Chat GPT. So anyways, so this tool is very much helpful for the purpose that I told you. But let me know if you have used and how this tool is feel like, right? Now next one is Bob GPT. So probably you'll be using Bob Suit as a pen tester, as a cybersecurity professional, or might be as a bug hunter, right? For getting your finances. So this is a kind of extension. This is a Bob Suit extension that is going to integrate with the OpenAI GPT to perform a lot of additional passive scan for discovery highly vulnerabilities, right? Which is might be of 9 or 10 CVSS score vulnerabilities, and this is a kind of going to enable the traffic based analysis for any type, right? So this is going to detect a lot of vulnerability, and will help you with a couple of payloads as well, which is going to help your uh, Bob Suite to perform more better functionalities. And it's using JDK, so probably you'll be getting some sort of JDK errors. You need to check out in your Linux or Mac or Windows, whatever you're using, and let me know if you found any error or something, so that accordingly I can contribute in this project and will be helpful for you as well. Now next one is Recon Alzer. This tool is not common, but this is a kind of Python tool, which is again a OpenAI GPT on Bobsuit, and this is going to help you to do recon on endpoints, right? The endpoint that we get on kind of passive information gathering. So this is going to recon the endpoints, URL subdomains as well. Okay, so these are the screenshot, like when you use this extension, then how it is going to be shown. So in short, you can call it as a reconnaissance assistance, which is using ChatGPT for to intercept the recon tools, and this is going to recommend you in the next step as well, right? What you need to do, right? So for me, like who rarely use Bobsuit, I usually go through with a lot of manual process, but I sometimes use Bobsuit, right? So I might be get confused what to do next. Like if I got some sort of traffic, if I got something, what to do next? Like right now they are performing on Tesla services.tesla.com. So there are a couple of directives that you can see on the screen, and what to do next. Extension, click on right click extension, recon also, and then suggest endpoint. So they are going to suggest you the entire endpoint which is going to help you. So this one seems to be very useful, so just let me know. Next one is PassGen. This is again a very interesting tool, okay, which is this is a generative network trained to generate real-time password based on leaked data, right? Here you can see the deep learning approach for password guessing. So this is probably going to help you for the password guessing. Since I have not used any of these tools, so I'm just telling you according to my research. It's a 100% Python based tool, and you can check out like a deep learning approach for password guessing paper. So let's see how this tool is. Next one is again Nuclei, which is very common tool, which is something that usually everyone is using. This is coming from Project Discovery, and this Nuclei AI extension is also created by the Project Discovery team, or might be contributed by someone. So this is a browser based for rapid nuclei template generation, right? So this is the official extension, as you can see the link Project Discovery. So this is official extension for nuclei that is going to use the AI to says the create new detection template for HTTP response. So here are little bit more description. So check out this one, and there are pre-requirements which where you need a Project Discovery account, okay, and sign in before using this tool so that you will get the credentials to log in, right? And this is something Synac background integrity support is also coming on this tool, which is going to help you a lot while finding some vulnerabilities, right? So it's a JavaScript based tool. Let's see. Next one is Hack GPT, right? So again, it's a GPT powered tool, which is a CLI to going to assist a kind of CLI tool for some sort of hacking purposes. And this is going to assist with the payload, which is crafting, bypassing technique, and offensive scripting as well. So this leverages OpenAI and ChatGPT to do hack risk thing. So check it out. I don't know what exactly it do. And this is someone it's hosted as well. So just check out this website, what you found, and let me know. hackgpt.streamlit.app. So this is redirected from hackgpt.com. So do it. Let me know. Now next tool that we have is Authorize Pro. This is a kind of authorization fuzzing tool which is going to used with the GPT integration to generate smart test cases and detect access control issue as well. So probably it's a Chinese tool, so I won't recommend you to do this one because usually Chinese is having some sort of status stuffs. But anyways, I don't want to come with some diplomatic terms. So this is Authorize Pro is a authorizations enforcement technical extension for Bob Suite by adding AI assistance analysis, and it is going to significantly reduce the false positive rate and improve the efficiency of vulnerability detection. So this is a major problem that usually the bug hunters are getting at the time of automation testing, false positive. So this is going to reduce. So hope so, because this is the major problem people are getting, and you can translate this web page to English. Okay, so yeah, here we go. The page has been translated, and use it. Check out each and every code because there might be some bad as things. Now the next tool that we have is Cloud GPT. It's kind of cloud based something which is it uses again GPT to identify misconfigurations and vulnerability in cloud environment, which is for the AWS, GCP, and Azure. So right now most of things are getting hosted on cloud, right? Even the Chat GPT is OpenAI is on cloud. Okay. There are a couple of kind of hosting that we are using. First thing the shared, second thing the VPS, third thing the cloud one, which is a kind of operating system which is running somewhere and we are getting access. So right now, people are getting a lot of problems while using AWS. So there might be some configuration issues in GCP, AWS, and few more cloud tools, Azure as well. So this one seems to be very much useful. Kind of vulnerability scanner for AWS customer, which is where you can manage the policy using ChatGPT, right? So give it a try. Next one is K8s GPT, which is going to diagnose the misconfiguration and vulnerability in Kubernetes cluster and explain in natural language via LLM, right? So here's some URL where the site is hosted as well, giving Kubernetes superpower to empower everyone, right? I don't know what exactly it do. Okay, so probably something uh, kind of vulnerability detection for Kubernetes, those who are using Kubernetes. Now, next one is coming from NVIDIA. Okay, so there are very less tool which is coming from NVIDIA, and whatever tool that is being exists on the internet is something which is you can't even think of, right? So this is a kind of LLM vulnerability scanner. Okay, so this is an NVIDIA tool for red teamers and probing LLMs, and this is actually designed to test model safety, robustness, and leakage. So you can test out the LLMs, might be GPT, DeepSeek, or something, whatever you are using. So you can test out all those things. Okay, this is a generative AI red teaming and assessment kit, right? Name is seems to be very interesting, which is Garak and LLM vulnerability scanner. So use it out. Even I'm going to use this tool over this video as well. Now next one is Auto Recon LLM. Again, this is automates the reconnaissance phase using LLMs to intercept the recon output and make tactical decisions as well. There is very less description, so might be created by using some chat GPT as well. So this is a Python based tool, okay, which will be going to be probably little slow. Okay, and it's written Recon GPT is a AI powered reconnaissance automation framework for offensive security and red teaming operations. OpenLM language. So here you can see like the prompt seems to be generated from chat GPT itself, those who have created, right? So like there's a lot of emojis, there is rocket sign as well, which probably chat GPT is giving as a prompt. So don't know, people are just forcing a lot of things on GitHub, but probably this one might be useful, or I think of, if I'm wrong, then this will be something good that I can hear of. So just check out this tool, Auto Recon LLM, right? Now next one is Evil GPT. So this is one of the most famous tool that was being spread in the cybersecurity community. So this is not to evil chatbot, right? So you can check out the Versa link is given. I'm not going to use it, okay, but I'll give you a disclaimer, right? So this is a kind of red teaming tools which is going to leverage AI and generate social engineering attacks and phishing scenarios. So let me see what exactly it can do if it's allow me without login. What are the things you can do, right? Let me submit it. I'm not getting any prompt, so there might be some sort of backend issue. Okay, so you check out this tool on your local system and let me know what exactly it functions with. Now AI, this one OSINT GPT. Probably I'm not having I'm not having the link. Okay, so you can check out this article. Okay, what exactly it do? And this is kind of AI driven OSINT tool, which is going to automate the intelligence gathering using LLMs. Okay, and the last tool that we have is Red Team GPT. So again, I don't have link, but you can check out what exactly it do. Okay, and this is a kind of AI based red teaming tools which is going to assist and automates attack simulations and do a lot of analysis as well. So there are a couple of more tools which is listed here. Check out and let me know. And by the way, there is a program which is going to end up, which is, you can check out this URL if you want to learn about bug bounty and viability pen testing. It will be ending in next couple of days and starting every first day of every month. So you can check out this URL via ehgroup.com and let me know what exactly you feel like. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day, be secure, and use this thing for education purpose only. Have a great day. Jai.